Hey guys, so I'm at a renovation project today at my friend Rob's house. I actually met Rob through the South Jersey Real Estate Investor Group. Me and him were talking at the original meetup, and he was kind of giving me some idea on his projects and what he does. And originally met him that way, and then we talked a couple times. And this project, we did the engineering plans for him here. This is a ranch house, about 1,800 square feet. Had a really bad layout originally. So Rob came up with a new layout, and then we kind of tailored the engineering design for the structural changes around his layout. So I'm going to turn the camera here and show you this was the main modification that we made. He reframed all the walls to change the layout, but the main structural modification was for this bearing wall that we took out. So we ended up designing a steel beam that was about 20 feet, maybe a little more. Spans from this right side wall all the way to about the middle of the house. Steel I-beam, he wanted to have a flat ceiling all the way across to make this like completely open layout. So ended up designing a tuck beam here. So I basically pack out the web on each side and then hang the joist from that packing. And then steel column here transfers to a new column in the basement, which I'll go down and show you guys. Steel column on this side supporting the beam transfers to the foundation here. Back here, this is mostly just framing changes here, and then this back part. So this was the original back wall of the house right here. Before Rob bought it, there was some additions on the back. So there was a couple bearing walls back here that got moved. There was a wall underneath here. So we designed a parallam here to open that up. And then there was another bearing wall inside of these rooms here. So we put another parallam there, supporting the ceiling. This just has attic space above it. So this ended up being the master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet there. And then these are the other bedrooms over here. And then that's pretty much it for the structural modifications in the first floor. I'm going to show you guys some things in the basement. He had some foundation issues, some horizontal cracking, and we designed a carbon fiber strap reinforcement here. So he actually used, the brand is called Rhino carbon fiber straps. So these are, in my opinion, one of the best manufacturers out there. Basically epoxy the carbon fiber to the wall. There's a steel strap at the top that bolts to the sill plate, and you can't see it here, but there's a pin that you wrap the bottom of the carbon fiber to at the bottom, which goes into the footing. So this house was neglected for a while, so there was a lot of water accumulation on the outside of the foundation walls, which causes increased hydrostatic pressure, which is why the wall bowed in to begin with. There was also two or three big trees on the right side wall. The tree roots were growing obviously close and pushing on the wall. So he did remove the trees. He also installed a French drain around the perimeter, which also helps because the the French drain relieves the water pressure from the outside. So he's going to finish this basement, obviously. So foundation repair and the waterproofing were obviously important. This way, he's flipping this property, so he doesn't want the buyers, down the road to have any water issues with it. So that's pretty much it. He did move the stairwell, used the same stair box and put it, moved it from over there to here as part of his layout modification. Everything else in here kind of stayed the same structurally. He just reframed out the rooms and partition walls and stuff. Obviously all new electrical and plumbing. And that's pretty much it.